try to remember what really happened at Sylvia's Saloon back in '76.
Just a lot of bunk, Plato. It's just a lot of bunk.
J'ai mangé un minimum quand même parce que là l'énergie elle est en basse.
It's not bunk,
Carrément, je
Mr.
vais boire.
Calloway, sir. It's history.
It's ancient history, done and dusted. The dead got off lucky, the living
Who's
gotta
your
keep
friend
suffering.
there?
Ha! Put that in your fucking book, Plato.
This is Jim Boy Calloway. The Jim Boy Calloway.
Who?
The gunslinger. Fastest left-handed draw that ever drew breath. He once killed 14 men in a fight at Lucy Hollow.
What are you waiting for?
How do you mean?
Well, I reckon right now, kill him yourself.
I don't want to kill him. I want to deify him. He's a god. I'm trying to write his biography.
And how's that going?
I think I'd prefer the duel. Either I'd kill him and be able to be Baltimore's finest ever gunslinger, or he'd kill me and I could be set free from ever having to speak to him again.
Well, you're starting to understand something very important.
What's that?
The joys of gunslinging. It's win-win, freedom or glory.
That's brilliant. I'm gonna write that down, if I may.
Be my guest.
What's your name?
I don't have a name.
But you are a gunslinger.
Not really. I mean, folks who need shooting, I try and shoot in the back. All that other stuff, it's, well, bunk.
But you fought duels.
Once upon a time, I may have.
And you ain't interested in fame.
I don't think so.
Strange. But you like fortune.
I need money, sure.
Okay, then forgive me, mister, if I seem a little desperate. I am a little desperate. This book, I've got to make a thing of it, and, well, there's a whole list of gunfighters. Legends, every last one. Emmett Granger, Flaco Hernandez, Billy Midnight, Black Bell.
Never heard of him.
Maybe you can go and speak to them. Ask them about Calloway. Any of them get uppity, shoot them. I can't believe I just said that, but...
You want me to go and find some sad, deluded fools like him, ask if he was the greatest, and then if they get uppity, shoot him?
Does sound a lot worse than it did in my head.
How much you paying?
Well, a lot. Half the proceeds of the book, if you help me get it written.
I'll see what I can do.
Oh, get photos.
Okay,
And there are notes on the back of those portraits that should lead you to him.
I'll see what I can find out.
I imagine we'll be stuck here upon your return. Here or some other flop house.
Ok, donc je dois tuer la plupart des je sais pas comment dire, des arts de la gâchette là, je sais pas quoi. Les gunslingers, comment on dit en anglais. Hop, ça se fiche pas. Ah, peut-être faut lire à l'arrière. Ok, donc photographie de Black Belle. On va commencer par elle. Inculter, ok. Vu pour la dernière fois près de Blue Water Marsh. Ok. Donc, elle se trouve dans les marécages, un truc comme ça. Elle est loin. Mais je crois que je vais carrément me TP, hein. J'ai un mode menu. Attends, je vais d'abord prendre mon cheval au cas où. Viens là, imbécile. D'ailleurs, oui, il y a de la neige hein, sur le jeu.
Okay, boy. Let's go.
Hop. Hop. Par contre, la neige, je sais pas si ça fait partie du jeu car je m'en souviens pas d'avoir installé des modes pour mettre de la neige. Je sais pas non plus si ça fait partie du jeu quoi. Donc, ça reste compliqué. Ah, il est sale! Attends, je vais le nettoyer en 2 secondes. Parce que là, c'est pas possible d'être un porc comme ça. Hein.
Ah, I'll stay there, boy. Here you go, boy. Here, okay, boy.
Ok. Alors elle se trouve dans cette maison-là.
You there?
Oh, hello?
Agression.
Bounty hunter?
Not right now, I ain't. You Black Bell? I'd like to talk to you about your Wild West days.
I don't care much for reminiscing. You got any friends as bounty hunters?
None that spring to mind.
Well, then you done led them boys here and you none the wiser.
Ah, those bounty hunters.
Knew my luck had run out sooner or sooner.
Well, get inside. I'll tell him you're gone.
Oh, no. I ain't hiding from them scalp hunters. Not running from them neither. And fighting? Yeah, if it's just me against them, that'd be a waste of time and nitroglycerin.
Well, let me know what I can do.
You want that Wild West story, don't you?
Yes, I do.
All right. Get up here quick. Now, when I give you the word, hit that. Whole place is wired.
Black Bell, I got a contract here for your life or your liberty. We'd sooner it be liberty.
That's mighty reasonable, mister. Come here, let me take a look at it. Come on. Oh, come on.
Ah.
Here goes your contract.
Je savais pas. Excuse-moi la vieille. Oh, je suis nul. C'est horrible.
Over here, they're rushing us from the side. Hit that plunger. You want to see them fly.
Ah, la visée elle est horrible.
Lady, I can't see you much in need of my help.
Sugar, that's sweet. You're lucky I'm all buried out.
Il est où le mec?
To the front, more riders.
Je vois même pas.
Right here, too.
Ah non, il est mort. Tu vas te calmer toi.
It's expected to fight all right. They brought a Gatling gun.
Hop.
It ain't over yet. But your friends heard the hubbub. There's gonna be some price on me when all this done.
Oh, fait chier, oh, le l'arme de merde.
Price don't
Enfin, le-
matter if it's hideous.
Certain price you don't get idiots. You gotta show
Il est encore en vie lui.
no prizes.
Voilà.
Guessing what the plunger does. No time for prisoners. Hey! Where are you going?
Excuse-moi.
Is that the last of them?
Yeah. You got them scalp hunters off your back
For now.
for now. So, you gonna tell me
Par
about
contre, j'aurais
your
une visée de
Wild
merde.
West days, running with Jim Boy Calloway?
Little boy Calloway? The only running he did was away from a fight. And that's about the end of it.
Well, the man's apparently a famous gunslinger.
Yeah, so they say. But, don't get what's famous confused with what's true. The ones of us that lived that life, we was too busy being scared for our scalp to talk to no newspaper writers or dime novel men.
Well, what were they like then? Those days they all talk about.
Same as now, I guess. Only longer ago.
All right. I'm gonna need your picture too, if it ain't a trouble.
No, sir, no trouble at all. Can't be worse than those awful drawings on the wanted posters.
Hell, great. Look, you stand over there and let me get this thing ready.
Ready? How do you want me? Like this?
Okay, I got it.
Then I guess I'll be on my way.
There. Well, thank you, Mrs. Bell. You gonna be all right?
Oh, Been running for 20 years. Suppose I'll be running till I drop. Just the way it is.
Good luck.
Bon bah elle on l'aura pas tué par contre. On l'a plutôt aidé. Billy Midnight. On dirait un peu Arthur dans Peaky Blinders. Et on s'en fout. Hein. Hop. Ranger. Donc Billy Midnight, où se trouve-t-il? L'homme qu'on va sûrement tuer, il se trouve à Rhodes. Comme d'habitude, j'ai la flemme d'aller sans me TP. Cheval. Tuer. Hop. Je vais me téléporter comme d'habitude. Hop. Ok, une petite mission secondaire. Hein. Je vais peut-être me la faire plus tard. En tout cas, je vais terminer tous les... Je vais as de la gâchette, voilà, pas art. Parce que tout à l'heure, je dis art. Comme un con.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Been a while since you were around this way.
Alden, I need a word.
Hello, you. What can I help you with?
There's an old gunslinger I'm looking for. I heard he comes through here. Name of Midnight? Billy?
Oh, that old soak? Yeah, he spends days on board these trains, but he's going nowhere but the gutter. I imagine you'll find him right in the next one through here.
Désolé, je teste la sensi un peu.
Try them both. Look in the bar car.
Ok. C'est
This is your train. Midnight Express, we call it.
Il n'est pas là. Il n'est pas là. Je sais pas qui c'est le mec là-bas. Hein.
Mr. Midnight?
Excuse me, I'm trying to drink.
Mr. Midnight, listen, this won't take a moment. I just want to talk with you about your old days as a shootist.
Get away from me!
Hey,
I didn't shoot him in his sleep.
no one's
I didn't
saying
shoot him
that.
in his sleep, and if I did, it was the only way.
Not a problem. I'm here about Jim Boy Calloway, and no one shot him yet.
I knew you'd come for me. Get away from me!
Mr. Midnight!
Comment on le poursuit à travers tout le train là? Viens là, gamin!
But you ain't getting me! I knew you'd come for me! It weren't my fault! I knew!
You don't know nothing, Mr. Midnight. I want to talk. Don't do something foolish.
You come for me! Come on!
Ah! D'accord. Appareil photo. Oh là là, beau gosse. Oh la classe.
Let's go.
Oh là. Par contre, j'ai laissé mon pistolet là-bas. Ah oui, regardez, je vais vous montrer mon flingue, celui-là. J'ai mis un mode. Ah bah il est plus là le mode. C'est super. En fait, ça ressemblait à une arme d'un mafia un peu. Je vais peut-être vous mettre une petite photo sur le côté là. Voilà. Bon. Voilà, Mike, je sais pas quoi. Tiens, je vais essayer celui-là, j'ai jamais essayé. Donc, Oui, non, non. Faut regarder les prochaines photos. Flaco Hernandez. Voilà. Un Mexicain. Ok. Alors lui, normalement. Ok. Oh, mais. Oh, voilà. Lui, il se trouve vraiment dans le nord. J'ai une idée. Je vais aller chez le trappeur. Alors, il me semble que j'ai bien laissé le mode YM's DLC. Ce qui permettra d'avoir des vêtements. Et dans ce mode, t'as des vêtements aussi chauds. Pour l'hiver. Bon, après là j'ai des vêtements chauds mais ce sera pas suffisant je pense. Comparé dans le nord c'est vraiment bien froid. Côte. Tiens d'ailleurs il y a son manteau il me semble. Regardez bien. On va se mettre à sa dégaine. Voilà, celle-là. Attends, tu sais quoi, je vais mettre. Ah, magnifique. On va mettre celle-là. Voilà, magnifique, léopard. Wilson. Alors je pense pour la suite c'est bon. Hein. Je suis bien équipé. Où est ce crétin déjà? Ah oui, il est là. Alors bien sûr, on va se téléporter. Hein. Je triche un peu. J'ai froid là? Non. Oh non, je crois qu'il a froid. Mais avec ce manteau. Flaco Hernandez. Un peu bourré ce cheval. Alors nous on va dégainer les flingues direct, hein. Moi je te dis. Le peupon plus fusil à répétition. Bonjour. Frendo. Voilà. C'est ça qu'on veut. Casse-toi toi aussi. Appelle-le.
Flaco Hernandez, you in there? I didn't want trouble, but I'm just here to speak with you. About Boyd Calloway? Pull your weapons away, and I'll come out.
Voilà.
I'm unarmed.
La tête.
I just want to talk. About Boyd Calloway? Sure. Here's your message.
Oh non. Ouh. Alors évidemment, toujours la même chose avec eux, hein. Ah comment il est mort par contre. Pas très sexy la pose, hein, si je peux me permettre. Donne-moi ton flingue s'il te plaît. En plus j'ai déjà j'ai déjà son flingue avec mon mode menu. Alors juste 2 secondes les amis, je fais une petite pause. Alors hop. Du coup on va continuer notre poursuite. Ah. Ah. Attends. Attends, on est bien à l'avant-dernier normalement. Ah non c'est bon. Alors lui, Trevor Philippe Prime. Alors je parie que lui aussi on va le tuer, hein, forcément, c'est sûr, c'est évident. Hein. Je pense que déjà vu les noms de morts. Alors est-ce que je fais un petit tour chez le trappeur pour enlever ses vêtements? Oh, c'est quoi, on va le garder. De toute façon, on va vite se téléporter alors. Hop. Oh, flambeur, d'accord. Flaco, voilà. Et on va prendre le truc de Midnight. Les deux en même temps. Ça peut être drôle.
Yeah.
Des sangliers. Non, non, des cochons, pardon.
Hey, you.
What do you want?
Howdy. You Granger?
That's my name. And my occupation, too, if you hadn't noticed.
Weren't always like that, though, were we? Used to be a quick draw guy. You knew Jim Boy Calloway?
Used to be's correct. Then there's a long over. And who might you be?
Don't matter. I need you to tell me about Jim Boy. Just a quote for a book.
A book about Jim Boy? Well, shit. I can't talk to you now. Look at me. I'm knee-deep in hog crap.
Well, don't mind me. We can talk while you work.
I ain't talking and shoveling. Besides, young man like you get it done in half the time.
I don't know about that.
What's to know? You interested in the old days? You shoveled this shit, I tell you some stories. You keep your hands clean, I don't give you squat.
God damn it. These better be some stories.
Oh.
They are. Pick up the fork and get to work.
Ah bah
Get out
super.
of here and stop wasting my time.
I'm gonna do this for you, but I don't like it.
Jim Boy weren't nothing, you know. Me? I killed men, women, and children, too. Animals. I even
Oh.
killed rocks. And I killed them good.
Et RP fermé, vous
I
aimez bien?
shot folks, stabbed folks,
Je m'attendais pas à ça non plus. Hein.
skinned folks. I scalped some. Boy, they scream when you scalp.
Si je pourrais te planter dans le cœur là.
Let me
comme ça.
work.
Genre, il parle trop ce mec en
Don't know
plus.
what got into these hogs, but I know what's coming out of them. I bash folks, butchered folks. I burned folks alive. Buried folks alive. One time, I...
I get it,
Pousse-toi,
all right?
pousse-toi, là.
You're mean. What about Calloway?
You have no idea, girlie. Why, a feminine type like you, I'd probably have chopped your head off, stuffed you, and eaten you like a sausage.
No
Et lui,
doubt.
c'est un fou, lui.
Now it's clean enough to eat off.
I guess I'm done.
Get that barrel to the shit pile, and I suppose you is.
All right.
No shortage of shit round here. Comes from hungry hogs and no hands.
Hell, that stinks. Whew. Okay, I cleaned up your mess. Go on. Tell me about Calloway.
I said I'd tell you stories. I didn't say they'd be about him.
Don't trifle with me, old man. You knew him. Just give me something, anything.
You making a book, you should make it about me.
They're just words, is all. Give me something to say and I'll leave you alone. You owe me that.
Hey, you be careful. Killer like me, it don't take much to end up on the end of my knife. One
Hey,
time,
you know what? I don't think you were anything at all. Just a crazy old man.
I ain't a killer? Well, you'd already be hog feed. I hadn't made a deal with the Federals, got this far.
This is your last chance, Mr. Granger. Give me a quote for the book.
Hey, you don't hit no man of peace, no government witness.
Calloway said you was full of piss, but he didn't tell me the half of it.
I'm itching to drop you, girlie. Only you ain't worth my time. I got too much to lose.
Too much to lose? Well, seeing as I cleaned up this pigsty, I figure I'm in my rights to wreck it. Let's see.
You don't want to do that? You walk away right now.
Well, well. All I wanted was a quote.
You don't know who you're trifling with. That's my stick!
Ah. Bon. Comme ça?
No.
No. No.
Si.
You didn't know.
Si. Oh.
You just took yourself a regular shit shower, Mr. Granger. Boy, that's real nasty.
You earned yourself a killing. And I'm going to enjoy it now. Draw. It's going to be the last thing you
Ah
do.
bah ça recommence, super. Toi aussi t'abuses frère, ouais, ça y est. C'est de puer le... Puer la merde. Voilà. Voilà ton beau visage là. Je m'en fous du flingue. Ouais. Bon, et bah, il faudra revoir Jimbo Calloway. Je sais pas quoi là.
Boy,
Quel que soit son nom, il faut le revoir. Et lui dire qu'il y a personne qui veut l'affronter. Après, je crois que c'est ça le contexte. Hein. Il cherche un adversaire, je sais pas quoi. Téléportation. Et on y est arrivé.
hey, I'm looking for some fellas sojourned around here. Boy Calloway and a rider called Levin.
Drunk Boar Calloway. This bar's got bullet marks to remember him by. Last I heard, they was in Saint Denis. Had rooms on a riverboat there.
Saint Denis. On a riverboat? Okay then.
Oh là là.
I wouldn't drink here, though. Get on to Saint Denis.
Faudra voir cet imbécile à Saint-Denis là. Putain, ils aiment bien nous faire déplacer quand même. Ah bah tu sais quoi. Bah moi je vais pas me déplacer en fait. Et depuis tout à l'heure c'est ce que je fais donc ça change pas grand chose.
You're looking at the pride of Lemoyne here, the Grand Corrigan paddle steamer.
Hey, I'm looking for Boy Calloway and the man writing a book about him. This the riverboat they're staying on?
Yes, sir, they're here. Around this time, Mr. Calloway usually enjoying a drink on the observation deck. You can follow me. If you're quick, you might catch him sober.
Je veux le tuer ici en mode. On sait pas.
Oh,
On
my
sait pas trop si
friend
on va le
with no
tuer.
name. You found us.
Sure.
How did you get on?
About how you'd expect.
Well, any good anecdotes?
Anecdotes.
From the old days.
To be honest, things went a little differently. I did shoot a lot of people. I thought that's sort of what you wanted.
Well, I'd, yes, that'll be fine. Do you think anyone noticed it was you?
Noticed? Think the people I shot noticed.
I mean, do you think anyone would mind if we said he'd done it? Boy Calloway.
Sure, I don't care. Just as long as...
Share the money? Of course I will. Literature is a filthy business, but sometimes it pays well, especially when you lie.
Great.
Not so goddamn fast. What the hell's going on here?
Nothing.
Who's this grass snake?
You know, I don't know.
Have you been being me?
I'm nobody, buddy.
But I'm somebody! And I can't have any nobody being this somebody, you goddamn... I don't know what the goddamn you are, but trust me, it ain't nothing I want to be, so you can't be me.
What a way with words.
Damn you, Theodore Levin! You're a snake! Damn you! Hey, damn you, nobody!
Hey, I'm already damned.
Oh, God. But I can't take credit for that which I... Them says I didn't. I'm an old man. This never happened to Achilles, to Gawain, or Caesar. It can't happen to me. I'm gonna kill them both here.
Yeah, calm down.
I'm a legend!
Yes, you are.
All right, well, let's prove it one more time.
I don't have to prove nothing to you, nobody.
No, of course you don't. But maybe you need to prove something to you.
You got quite a way with the words. Maybe you should write my book and we should kill Plato here.
Let's not. Now, come on. Who shall we kill? I mean, you kill, I mean.
Ah, damn, I slayed my dragons years ago. I'm a tired old man.
Now, you're drunk and you're bored and you're a mess.
Well, I always hated Slim Grant. Oh, he killed my cousin. But that was years ago.
Well, where's Slim Grant? Who's Slim Grant?
This is him, an old friend of Mr. Calloway's.
He ain't no friend of mine.
He's state marshal now, out of Annesburg.
State marshal? Make a damn cousin killer state marshal, do they?
All right, I'll go get him.
Great. We'll wait for you at Brandywine Drop.
Just sober up and start practicing. Otherwise, this won't be a book. It'll be a memorial.
Whatever you say. You know what? I kind of like that fella.
Donc on va refaire de la chasse. C'est génial. C'est ce qu'on voulait, hein.
Look out!
Donc c'est où? Tu sais quoi, on va aller jet comme ça. Il est où ce mec? What? Afficher légende, voilà. Ah, ok. Bon. Non, en vrai, je vais me téléporter comme ça. Je vais me téléporter juste à côté. Hop.
Ouais.
5, téléporte. Alors j'espère juste pas faire la mission de Micah en même temps là. Enfin Mika plutôt.
You. I'm looking for Slim Grant, State Marshal. Heard you boys know where to find him.
Oh, Mr. Marshall was here last week. I think he headed up to Beaver Hollow looking for some outlaws.
Is he coming back?
Sure, when he catches them fellers he's been after.
Well, how long's he been gone?
Well, a couple of days.
Well, you ain't gonna go look for him?
If your boss's boss, who you all hated, went missing, possibly dead, at the hands of a bunch of violent wanted men, would you go looking for him?
Well, yeah, probably, because I'm a fool.
Well, when he's dead, maybe I'll become marshal. I'll be a hero riding a horse from town to town, mister. Think of that.
Good luck with those dreams.
Donc faudra le chercher. Super. Et il sera probablement avec des bandits. On doit entre guillemets le sauver. Je pense que c'est, je jure, prenez un mode menu. Hein. Enfin, si vous n'avez pas envie de gâcher votre plaisir de jeu, allez, prenez pas. Bon. C'était sûr. Non, prends pas ça. Prends ça. Ok. Oh, tu fonces. Et tu tues tout le monde.
You made short work of them.
You must be Slim Grant.
State Marshal, Slim Grant.
Bon.
Okay. Let's get you out of here.
Yes. Indeed, son.
I need a favor, Mr. Grant. It's nothing big. I'll explain on the way. You might as well relax.
Juste, est-ce que c'est loin quand même? Non, ça va, vas-y, je vais faire le chemin.
Let's go for a ride.
Et ça se trouve, il y a une course-poursuite en vrai, donc...
This is real peculiar. I'm state marshal, you know.
Yeah, I know. Sit tight. All will be revealed.
Now you gonna tell me what the hell is going on here?
I was, before you got so short with me.
Son, what the hell are you up to?
I'm taking you to see an old friend of yours. It's a reunion of sorts.
Will you stop being so damn cryptic?
I'm telling you all I can. It's a job. Someone wants to see you. I'm taking you to him. This is it. Down here, it's almost over, Marshal Grant.
State Marshal Grant.
Yeah, yeah.
So you got him.
I think so.
Did you kill his cousin back in '82?
Whose cousin?
My cousin.
I never shot no one didn't deserve it.
You shot Jed Calloway.
And I told you then I'd shoot you too. And I would've if you'd shown up.
I was there.
No, you weren't. You left town.
You take that back.
But I don't care now. It's nigh on 20 years ago. We're old men. We're lucky.
Fight me.
You're an old man.
Come on, fight me.
It's a bit late, isn't it?
God damn you! Oh!
Ah bah génial.
That settles that then.
Voilà.
I shot him in the goddamn back!
And these things happen.
God damn you, goddamn both of you!
Well, now calm down. Who cares? You should have shot him 20 years ago. He's dead now.
You are a sickness scum like you and you, Plato. Come on,
Ça va dire.
draw!
Why?
I said draw, goddammit!
No.
Yes!
Enfin. Après le deuxième essai. Parce que ce gars il est vraiment rapide.
Shit, indeed. Still, at least now you got an ending to your book.
He's dead.
Oh, don't you start now.
No, I'm not starting. I'm happy. I'm free. I can finally go back to writing westerns instead of being in one.
He was pretty wild. And I know some wild people.
He was certainly complicated.
I'm sorry I shot him.
No, and you didn't shoot him. He did. In the back. After he mortally wounded Slim Grant. Fair and square.
Yes, that's it.
Last of the gunslingers.
Well, more or less, I guess.
There's more?
Oh, there's always folk who shoot you in the back and then rewrite history.
Oh, hey! Where do I send the money?
Send it to Tacitus Kilgore. No, that ain't my real name.
Enfin, tout est fini. Bon, on a son flingue. Calloway. Je crois que je l'ai déjà. Bon, il me semble que j'ai vraiment toutes les armes. Voilà, Calloway. Alors, je vais juste regarder un peu la dégaine parce que même moi je l'ai pas vu. Et bah franchement, ah, elle est belle, hein. Elle est magnifique. Ouais. Ouais, moi j'aime bien. Bon bah cette vidéo se touche à sa fin. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé, pour toutes les personnes qui étaient présentes. Et sur ce les gars, Bye bye.